Hi, I'm Sean McDermott, CEO and founder of RedMonocle. December 13th, 2020 could go down as the worst security breach of our lifetime. This was the day that SolarWinds acknowledged that hackers had inserted malware into a service that provided software updates for its Orion platform, a suite of products broadly used across the U.S. federal government and Fortune 500 firms to monitor the health of their IT networks. With all the pandemic and political unrest going on now, the SolarWinds breach has been pushed down in the news cycle. But this breach was bad. SolarWinds has over 18,000 clients, and their Orion product collects data on the configuration topology of applications, servers, and networks for these clients. We have no idea how much data these bad actors have collected. If you're a SolarWinds customer and you have a server misconfigured, they might know and can exploit that information today or tomorrow. Frankly, we may never know how bad or widespread this breach was. At the same time, in December of 2020, Helix Market Research and RedMonocle finished our 2021 Cybersecurity Benchmark Study. The results will be published in the coming weeks. One of the questions we asked over 300 cybersecurity leaders and CISOs was, what keeps you up at night? The overwhelming response was, I don't know what I don't know. Fear of the unknown is the monkey on the back of cybersecurity leaders. It's the threats in our blind spots that are the scariest. And talk about a blind spot. How many CISOs are scanning their software vendor source code for malicious code? Zero, because vendors won't allow it. And SolarWinds was not the only one. Microsoft announced that bad actors got access to their source code too. It's the blind spots that we need to be worried about. The key to risk mitigation is to move to offense. We must find, fund, and fix our cybersecurity blind spot. The misnomer of having a blind spot is that you ultimately can't see it. If you could, it wouldn't be a blind spot. As such, finding your risk blind spots requires a perspective that you don't already have. It's like someone trying to see the outside of a house while standing in the living room. You can't see the outside from the inside. But in order to understand the entire house, you need to see both the inside and outside. Most CISOs look at their security stack in isolation from their selected common security framework. Blind spots are found within the silos of the security stack versus these standards. However, this limited perspective doesn't include visibility into how the security stack covers security requirements, where there are gaps in the coverage, or what products could replace a compromised piece of infrastructure. The best way to find your cybersecurity risk blind spots is to find the gaps and overlaps in your existing security stack by contrasting and comparing stack to a standard first. RedMonocle's rich knowledge base contains the features of over 300 cybersecurity tools and has mapped them to NIST 853 controls, the industry-leading security framework, giving CISOs an inside and outside perspective based on industry standards. 69% of the respondents from the Cybersecurity Benchmark Study used NIST. But finding your SolarWinds replacement isn't enough. It must be funded too. Technology purchases will have increased scrutiny for the foreseeable future. To tell the story of why you selected the replacement product, you need an objective analysis that returns empirical evidence that you made the best choice. In other words, you need to translate your risk to a language that CEOs, CFOs, and CIOs understand. Business objectives and measurements like customer experience, employee experience, reputation, and brand. RedMonocle gives you the empirical evidence you need to back your decision and secure your security stack, and demonstrate you're playing offense, especially as you think about replacing SolarWinds. The SolarWinds breach is a wake-up call for all of us. We are surrounded by cybersecurity blind spots, and the bad actors know it, and they just found a back door. RedMonocle is here to help you find, fund, and fix your cybersecurity blind spots so you can solidify your seat at the boardroom table, all in one fell swoop. If you're ready to put on your RedMonocle, call 833-MONOCLE or fill out the form and we'll be in touch.